In today's video, I'll show you how to add a text box in Dropbox Sign so you can easily edit and annotate PDF documents. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Dropbox Sign website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where your documents are stored. Next, select the PDF file you want to edit. Click on the file to open it in the preview window. Once the document is open, look for the option to edit the PDF and select it to enter editing mode. When the editor loads, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on the option to add text. Your cursor will change, allowing you to place a text box anywhere on the document. Click on the area where you want the text box to appear. A new text field will show up and you can type in the text you need. This could be a note, label, or any additional information for the document. After adding the text, you can customize it by adjusting the font, size, and color. You can also move or resize the text box to make sure it fits neatly into the document layout. Once everything looks right, click Done to save your changes. Dropbox Sign will save a new version of the document with your edits applied. That's it. You've successfully added a text box in Dropbox Sign, making it easy to update and personalize your PDF files. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.